Hello everyone. In this video, let's learn about MPU 6050 motion sensor, its working principle, circuit diagram, various features of MPU 6050, advantages and disadvantages, and various application where we can use MPU 6050 motion sensor. Coming to MPU 6050 sensor, it uses GY521 breakout board, which is a microelectrical mechanical system. MPU 6050 is the first integrated 6-axis motion tracking device that combines a 3-axis gyroscope, 3-axis accelerometer, and a temperature sensor and a digital motion processor on a single chip. Coming to DMP, which correlates the data from accelerometer and gyroscope. This digital motion processor can also use external third-party sensor such as magnetometer. These external sensors are connected using second I2C bus. MPU 6050 sensor can communicate with the various microcontroller using this I2C interface. The MPU 6050 is a 6-axis IMU sensor. It will give 6 values in output. That is 3 values from accelerometer and 3 values from gyroscope. Coming to the principle of MPU 6050 motion sensor. Here, accelerometer measures the acceleration forces exerted on X, Y and Z axis. Gyroscope measures the rotational moment of an object over the axis X, Y, Z. Now let's see accelerometer. Accelerometer is a sensor which can measure the acceleration forces which is acting on it. When force increases, acceleration also increases. Let's consider a sensor resting on a table. At rest, there is no force acting on it, right? Therefore, all the axes have to get 0 reading. Here, actually this is wrong. If there is no dynamic forces are acting on the sensor, there is a static force acting on it. That is the acceleration due to gravity, 9.8 meter per second square. This force is acting perpendicular to the sensor. When you shake this sensor, there are different values across the different axes. If you shake this sensor faster, values across the axis are increased. If you shake this slowly, then values across the axis decreases. The microcrystals inside the sensor will produce raw readings which are directly proportional to the force exerted on the sensor. Now coming to gyroscope. Gyroscope measures the rotational moment of the object across its axis. Gyroscope in MPU 6050 is MEMS gyroscope. MEMS means micro electromechanical system. This MEMS sensor produces a voltage when an axis is rotated. In this, voltage is sampled with 16-bit ADC. The unit in which how fast the object is rotating is given by degree per second in gyro. Gyroscope will not affect the vibrational force acting across the object. This is the block diagram of MPU 6050 motion sensor, and this is the schematic. The gyroscope present in the MPU 6050 can detect the rotation about the axis X, Y and Z. Coriolis effect causes the vibration when the gyros are rotated about any of these axes. These vibrations are picked up by the capacitor. The signal produced is then amplified, demodulated and filtered to produce the voltage that is proportional to the angular rate. Here, this voltage is then digitized using ADCs. The digital motion processor present on the sensor offloads the computation of the sensing algorithm from the host computer. This digital motion processor acquires data from all the sensors and stores the computed values in its data registers and FIFO. These FIFO can be accessed to the serial interface. Using this AD0 pin, more MPU 6050 sensor module can be interfaced with the microprocessor. I2C line of MPU 6050 are also pulled high using 4.7 kilo ohm resistor, and interrupt pin is pulled down using 4.7 kilo ohm resistor. When data is available in FIFO, the interrupt pin goes high. Then the microcontroller can read the data using I2C communication bus. Coming to the features of MPU 6050. This sensor combines 3-axis accelerometer and 3-axis gyroscope values combined. Power supply of 3 to 5 volt. It uses I2C protocol for communication. Built-in 16 ADC provides high accuracy. Built-in DRP provides high computational power. Can be interfaced with the magnetometer. And sensors uses low-pass filter for accelerometer and gyroscope and temperature sensor. Gyroscope needs 3.6 milliamp of current for operating. Accelerometer on MPU 6050 operates on 500 microamp of current. Gyroscope has improved low frequency noise performance. DMP present on this sensor support 3D motion processing and gesture recognition algorithms. MPU 6050 has an optional external clock input of 32.768 kHz or 19.2 MHz. This uses embedded temperature sensor. Coming to the advantages of MPU 6050. It has combined 3-axis accelerometer and 3-axis gyroscope, temperature sensor and DMP on a single chip. Digital motion processor is embedded on the same silicon die since it supports motion fusion algorithms. Disadvantages. It is very complex device. Finally, the applications of MPU 6050. It is used in orientation, rotation detector, tilt sensor. It is used in humanoid robotics, robotic arm control, self-balancing robot. It is used in drone and quadcopters, used for IMU measurement. It's used in rockets and aircraft. In coming lectures, we will see how to interface MPU 6050 sensors and a small code demonstration. Thank you for watching.